Welcome back. We are back. We're going to put a core hole up here where I've got the ladder. So we're going to use core drill. We're going to use our Makita drill. We've got a solid pipe going through the cavity, and we've also got insulated duct to go through at the fan. Then we're going to get wired in and get it working. Right, so that's the 100mm hole cut we've used, and that is what you get. So it's cut through both cores, and we're going through into the apex of the loft. We're going to put a grill and our solid pipe on there now. Right, so what do I mean? All right, so going on the outside of the wall is our 4-inch grill. So we've got a fly in there, stop all the flies and that going in. That is then going to tape onto that. So we're going to use our insulated duct. So we've got a 100mm duct on there, and it's insulated and it's got this foil around it. So what this does is this keeps the moist air warm until it hits this bit, and then it blasts it out of there out into the outside atmosphere. And what that helps is if the water condensates, because a lot of fans, people put the cheap plastic pipes in, and if you put the cheap plastic pipes in which are uninsulated, what happens, it condensates, and as that goes across your joists, the weight of the water where it condensates folds down over the joist like that. That then blocks the pipe, which then makes the fan ineffective, and that's when you start getting the black mould in your bathroom, even though you've got an extractor fan. So when you go up into the cold areas, we always use insulated duct, so that keeps it warm enough until it blasts outside. This duct is going to be about 1 metre long. So now we've joined all that, we're now going to put this up in a loft and slime that out and get that to the outside. Right, so now we're going to drill a hole here. We've penciled that in because that is the space in between the joints. How are we going to drill that hole? So what we've got, so we've got our 100mm hole saw, we've got our Dade, and we've got our Makita drill. So we're now going to drill a hole through there. So that has caught all the dust and the plasterboard. If we look up, there's our duct. So there's our extractor fan up and running. So it works in conjunction with the lights and that. The isolator's in there. Of course, in this hot weather, it's important to stay hydrated. There's our insulated duct going through our vent outside, so I had to squeeze through there to get all that in. Right, so I hope you like that video, how to put an extractor fan in. But that is the easy way I do it, and I've been backwards and forwards this fan across this busy road. So we're going to get out of it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again.